Hello everyone. I am Punit Kumar DG, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Aid College, Bharamsagar. In the today's session, we discussing about the module 2 of Financial Markets and Services Banking System. In the present video, I will discuss about the topic, the techniques and limitations of credit creation. Before entering into the present discussion, let us recall what we have discussed in our previous video. In our previous video, we discussed about credit creation and its process. Credit creation is the ability of banks to expand deposits as a multiple of their cash reserves. And the process of credit creation follows the steps, that is primary deposit into the bank, then issue of loan by the bank, then the loan which is issued is going to create the derivative or action deposits, and finally which is resulting in the money circulation. This is the process of credit creation. Now let us discuss about the today's topic, that is techniques of credit creation. After receiving the primary deposits from the public, the banks are going to create credit by giving the loans to the public. The banks are going to offer various types of secured and unsecured loans, and by providing the loans to the public, the banks are going to create the credit. The every loan which is provided by the bank is going to create an equal deposit in the same or either another bank. And the second technique is the by overdrafting. Means the banks are going to provide the overdrafting facilities to the current account holders, where the account holders are going to withdraw money the more than the balance in their account. Thus, the bank is going to create an credit, and also by issuing the credit cards facility. The credit cards are the like cards which where the customer can purchase the some of the goods or make some payments more than the balance in his account. So by this way the banks are going to create the credit. And the last another technique the banks are going to use is, that is bill of exchange. The by providing the factoring services, by discounting the bills in advance, the banks are going to create the credit facilities. And the amount withdrawn in excess results in a credit creation. These are the two methods where the banks are going to create the credit. The third technique which is used by the banks to create credit is by purchase of securities. This is the third method, where the banks are moving into the direct investment in securities of the companies and as well as the governments. The banks, after providing the direct credit, with the remaining amount, they are going to purchase the securities which are issued by the various government and as well as the various private companies. The amount which is received by the company again enter into the banking channel as a deposit. So thus the banks are going to create the credit uh, in the form of the various the loan issuing by the various loans, and as well as by providing the overdrafting facility, and as well as by purchase of securities. Then there are certain limitations are there in credit creation. Let us discuss them one by one. The first one is restrictions by RBI. The RBI is going to put some of the restrictions, such as a cash reserve ratio and statutory liquidity ratio, where the bank has to keep certain portion of its deposits as a reserves. This is going to restrict the credit creation ability of the banks. Then second point is non-availability of adequate and proper securities for investment. Whenever the banks chooses the option for investment in for the purpose of credit creation, in such a scenario, if the good investment securities, good investment grade securities are not available, then that is going to create some of the obstacle in credit creation process. Then this is the another limitation of credit creation. Then third one is banking habits of the people. That is nothing but a financial exclusion. Means in a particular economy, if people are not actively participating in a banking system, then that is going to create a big challenge for the credit creation. The financial exclusion of the various groups of the society is going to result in a the limitation for credit creation. Example, ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮಾಜದ ಕಟ್ಟಕಡೆಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆದ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಈ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗುಳಿದಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾವು ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರು ಸೇರದೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಅತಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದಾಯ ಹೊಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗೊಳ್ಳದೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Then the next point is existence of cash transaction in the country, that is non-banking transaction, and as well as the problem of black money. Means when the people rely on cash transaction than the banking transaction, the credit creation becomes the chain of credit creation is going to cut down here and there. Means ಜನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ತಾವೇ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಹಣದ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಡರಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್. The next problem is heavy withdrawal of cash by the borrowers. Means sometimes the people who have been deposited in the banks start withdrawing the amount from the bank suddenly. Then the bank is going to face the shortage of money. This is also going to create a problem of credit creation. For example, sometimes seasonal, like ಹಬ್ಬಗಳು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಜನರಿಗೆ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹಣದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗಳಿಂದ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಪನಂಬಿಕೆ ಉಂಟಾದಾಗ, ತಮ್ಮ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ಗಳು ಸೇಫ್ ಇದಾವೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಅಪನಂಬಿಕೆ ಉಂಟಾದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಮ್ಮೆಲೇನೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇಂದ ಹಣನ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಕೆಲವು ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ವಿಶೇಷ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಹಣಗಳನ್ನ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗ ಒಂದು ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಜನರ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಎಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಕೂಡ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. The next point is the non-availability of collateral securities to get loans. The banks are ready to create a credit by providing the loans, but the people doesn't have the proper the collateral properties to get the loan. Means ಈಗ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗಳು ಸಾಲವನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಿದಾವೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸಾಲಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಅಡಮಾನ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಆಸ್ತಿಯ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಜನರ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಗೃಹ ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗಳು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಗೃಹ ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಜಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಸೈಟ್ಗಳು ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗಳು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಜನರ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂಗಾರದ ಆಭರಣಗಳು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕು ಅಂದುಕೊಂಡಷ್ಟು ಮೊತ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. These are all the various limitations which are creating an obstacle for the credit creation process by the. Now let us summarize the whole session. The credit creation is done through issuing loans by overdrafting and investment in the various securities. And the process of credit creation is limited by the various the factors, that is are restrictions laid down by the RBI, the banking habits of the people in an economy, and the more number of cash transactions, non-availability of collateral properties, and as well as the adequate securities. These are all the various factors which are limiting the process of credit creation. You can refer the following books for your further readings: Khan M.Y. Indian Financial System Theory and Practice, Tata McGraw-Hill publication; E. Gordon and K. Natarajan, Banking Theory and Law and Practice, Himalaya publications; L.M. Bhole and Jitendra Mukund, Financial Institutions and Markets, McGraw-Hill publications; Raman V.S., Financial Markets and Services, Chetana Book House publications. Thank you one and all for watching. Please comment with your suggestions and as well as queries. Thank you one and all.